I want to give you a quick health tip today. If you drink this combination, trust me, you will not be sick. This is a great immune booster because I'm going to be using the combination of ginger and key lime or lime. Ginger has a lot of health benefits. I'm sure we are all familiar with this by now. It has gingerol, which is the main bioactive compound in ginger, and this is what is responsible for much or most of its medicinal properties. It has a lot of powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Gingerol is the main bioactive compound in ginger, responsible for more or most of its medicinal properties. It has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Ginger is a very popular spice, but in its popularity, do you know the benefits it gives you? It is high in gingerol, which is a powerful substance which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. A lot of people know that they can take ginger for anti-nausea because of its compounds and everything like that. So it helps with a lot of sicknesses and to just like fight off sicknesses in your body. And the next ingredient is going to be my lime. We all know limes are very high in vitamin C and they are great antioxidants. Both of these offer a lot of health benefits. Taking a lot of limes or drinking the juice will improve your immunity. It will reduce heart disease risk. It prevents kidney stones. It aids iron absorption, and it even like promotes healthy skin. So the greatest part of what I'm taking out of this is the immunity. The combination of these two is something you want to take like almost every day. So let's just keep watching to see what I'm going to be doing and how I'm going to be doing justice to this food. The first thing I'm going to do is just to cut up my. This is optional. Some people believe that you don't have to cut the skin of their ginger, but I just like cutting it up, especially if I'm juicing it. I just like cutting it up. So let's just peel the skin of the ginger. Guys, so I finished removing the skin from my ginger. Just to like make this fast, I had to do this off camera, and this is what I have. I did this and I also chopped it into smaller sizes so it will be easy for me to blend. If you have a juicer, I would advise you use a juicer, but if not, let's use a blender or a smoothie maker in my own case. So I'm just going to grab my ginger and put it here. I'll put a bit of water so that I can easily blend this up. I'll advise you not to use a lot of water so that it does not lose its potency. When you think you've achieved enough blending, you can now like sieve this into a cup. And this is my ginger juice. Can you see the color? Next, I'll just cut up my lime. You can use however amount you want. In this case, I'm using 5. And just squeeze this into your ginger juice that you already have. So this is the drink you just need. You don't need to have it at one go because it might be too acidic for you. So you can take like, this is just like medicine. You can take like 2 or 3 tablespoons every morning and in the evening. Just to have the taste of this. I like it so much. I like it just the way it is, but if you think it's too bland or you can't just tolerate the taste, you might put like a tiny teaspoon of honey just to sweeten it a bit. Taking this regularly will definitely boost your immune system. It will make your skin glow. It has a lot of health benefits. Like, just read up about ginger and lime. We all know the benefits it can give us, but by the time you choose this and you like drink this morning and evening, it will help to really boost your immunity. So guys, this is the drink you can take it to avoid you falling sick, and it's going to definitely help you to fight off all the cold, the flu, and anything that you might have symptoms of. If you enjoyed this video, please kindly share this video, kindly pass this around because people need this kind of information at this point in time. If you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel.